Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. This one will actually be a pretty quick video. It's just going to be talking about some really good deals that I don't see a lot of people talking about. This is going to be for you Android lovers, so let's get into it. This is, of course, through boostmobile.com. So if you do use Boost Mobile, this will be perfect for you guys. So as Boost Mobile is a really good carrier. It's trying to be one of, well, let's see, now that US are the fourth carrier in the United States, because they're trying to do their own network. So let's see how that goes. But Boost Mobile, you go to deals right here. As you can see, there are a couple deals, but let's go to today's pick for today, and that is going to be the Razr 2024. So you do get $500 off the Razr 2024, only $99.99. So only $100 down from $600, guys. And you know why I make this video? Because I actually had a customer bring this phone in maybe less than a week ago, and I was looking at it. I was like, whoa, this phone's actually pretty sweet. I didn't even really think about it. I might even pick it up for the channel and do an unboxing review if you guys want. Let me know in the description below. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. If we go to shop now, there's a couple deals with it, and I'll show you as it loads. So this phone, you can get it for $16.67 a month or $100. Pick your favorite, and of course they only have the Koala Gray, which actually is a nice color. As you can see, here it is. The Razr does have almost like a textured back. When I touched it, it felt almost leathery, kind of silicone kind. I don't know, it's kind of weird to explain. And then you do have that front-facing screen. Of course, then once you open it, it does get big, and you can do quite a bit of things with it. So it's pretty sweet. I never even thought about it. And honestly, the crease does look less noticeable on the Motorola Razr than it does on the Samsung. So this phone does have 256 gigabytes of storage. Like I said, it's $100. You can get the Boost Mobile protection for $12 a month, or you can decline that. You can keep your number or a new number. If you keep your number, it's the same price there. So you can either keep your number from a competing carrier, or get a new phone number if you don't care about your number. Special deal, as you can see, unlimited premium is $60. If you do need this plan, it is required to get this price. They do have 36-month financing at $16.67, or you can pay today, no credit check or contract, buy it outright for $600. But you definitely want to do the special deal and pay the $60, and I'll tell you what that plan comes with, guys. There's a little bit more information on the phone. 6.9 inch when it is fully extended, 50 megapixel camera, 34 hours of talk time, Android 14. The highlights of this phone, of course: flipped open a new world, a bigger AI powered, so it is AI powered 3.6 internal display, which is pretty cool. You do have create and capture in a new way, accelerated performance, go on all day long with a powerful battery. Fashion icon, engineered to last, made to flex. Wow, pretty cool. Of course, you can get different products for it, like a little kind of like a strap. For free submersion, this phone you can submerge it in water. It is water resistant for up to 1.5 meters of water. It is built strong and does, they have tested it many times for the hinge to be able to withstand multiple folds, thousands, hundreds of thousands of folds, if that. Of course, you can have the display, the front, different ways, which is pretty cool. Which is really cool. Choosing a look made for music. So if you do listen to music, you can get the music player in the front. So really nice. So different things. Go hands free, tilt for a camcorder, so that you can make it a camcorder. And all that good stuff. So I'm just briefly going over this, not too bad. Like I said, 4x zoom, capture only the best. Basically, like I said, just going through. It does have adaptive stabilization, which is pretty cool. Horizon lock, magic editor, magic eraser. Wow, and photo unblur. Maybe this is a really good phone. Cool. It does have light in a flash. It does have, I believe, because Motorola, it does have the, when you shake it, capture with a touch, share in a snap, amplify your photo capabilities, sync stylus, so many things. Good lord. Let's look at the plans. I don't want to bore you guys to death there, but remember, you have to get the unlimited premium plan, which is $60 a month. It's unlimited talk, text, and data. No contract required. Up to 430 device savings. Hotspot, you do get hotspot, global talk and text. North America Connect, monthly taxes included. Buy now, pay later, and 50 gigs of premium data, guys. So remember, you do get 50 gigs of premium data. After that, your speeds are basically useless at 512 kilobits per second. No contracts. You do get hotspot, but it does pull from that 50 gigs of fast allotment. Global talk and text, of course. So not bad at all, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you get this phone? I personally would. And I'm thinking I'm going to get it, actually. Like I said, after using it hands-on with a customer, the one you brought it in, I thought that was actually a really cool phone. So that's what kind of got me into looking in for deals for this phone. And Boost Mobile has a really good deal. Like I said, for basically $160, you can get this phone. That's not bad at all. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you get this? If you want to support the channel, you can. Description below. Check it out. It does help me make more videos and content and all that good stuff. Thanks so much, guys, and have a good night. Well, because it's nighttime right now.